mean, the clue said it had blades and it wasn't open sky. Maybe the helicopter.
I think you're right.
Right. Sir, what is this about?
Oh, this is today's lesson. Today's lesson is all about the 5 layers of the atmosphere. So, in today's lesson, we're playing hide and go seek. And you're going to find me in different floors. The troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, reaching about 12 kilometers high. It is lower at the poles and higher at the equator. Even though it is shallow, it holds the air we breathe, the oxygen plants need, and almost all the water vapor and aerosols. It is also the densest layer because it is pressed down by the weight of the air above. Temperatures get colder the higher you go, since heat mostly comes from Earth's surface. This is also where almost all weather and clouds form, except for very tall thunder clouds that can push into the stratosphere. It is also the main zone for airplane flights. So in summary, that's the idea of our troposphere. So from our ground level to 12 kilometers up is the entire layer. So now that you found me in the first floor, let's see if you can try to find me in the second floor. Bye-bye! Oh hey, you guys found me. That was pretty quick. As a surprise, I'm gonna tell you all about the second layer of our atmosphere. Yeah. And then moving on to the stratosphere. The stratosphere sits about 12 and 50 kilometers above Earth's surface. It is best known for the ozone layer, which shields us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Unlike the troposphere, temperatures get warmer the higher you go because of the sun's radiation. The stratosphere is mostly free of clouds and weather, though special polar stratospheric clouds can appear in its coldest parts. And additionally, it is also the highest layer that jet planes can reach. Hey guys, I bet you didn't see that coming. Anyways, let's move on to the third layer of the atmosphere. Located between about 50 and 80 kilometers, around 31 and 50 miles above Earth's surface, the mesosphere gets progressively colder with altitude. In fact, the top of this layer is the coldest place found within the Earth's system, with an average temperature of about minus 85 degrees Celsius, or minus 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The very scarce water vapor present at the top of the mesosphere form noctilucent clouds, the highest clouds in Earth's atmosphere, which can be seen by the naked eye under certain conditions and at certain times of day. Most meteors burn up in this atmospheric layer. Sounding rockets and rocket-powered aircraft can reach this mesosphere. Pretty cool, right? So, I guess that sums it all up. Well, you found me on the third floor. Let's see if you can try finding me in the fourth floor.
Alright, fourth floor. Where is he this time?
Okay guys. Well, I guess this time you didn't find me, but I found you. But anyways, now that we're here in the fourth floor, let's talk about the fourth layer of the atmosphere. Moving on to the fourth layer of the atmosphere, the thermosphere lies between about 80 and 700 kilometers above Earth's surface. Its lower part is called the ionosphere. Here, temperatures rise with altitude because the air is extremely thin. The thermosphere has no clouds or water vapor. Moreover, this is where the northern and southern lights appear, and it is also where the ISS, or the International Space Station, orbits. Well, I guess we ran out of floors. So, you know what? Why don't you try opening that last envelope and try finding me?
How does he keep doing that?
I don't know.
I mean, anyways, let's open the last letter.
I really don't see it here.
Yeah.
Do we still have to?
Well, that comes to the end of our journey. So, as your prize, let me tell you about the fifth layer of the atmosphere. Lastly, the exosphere. The exosphere extends from about 700 to 10,000 kilometers above Earth's surface. It is the highest layer of the atmosphere and gradually blends into space. The air here is so thin that it does not act like a gas, and particles can drift off into space. There is no weather, but the northern and southern lights can sometimes be seen in its lower regions. Most of Earth's satellites orbit in the exosphere. Oh well, that's over. That's everything you need to know anyways about the 5 layers of the atmosphere. Class dismissed.
Yes.
Yeah.